Welcome back to the success factors for Dashwitch. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change personal and employment information as an employee. So I'm proxying as Richard Folsom. Technically, I'm logging as TIG, but this is what Richard will see when he log in from his own user ID. So he sees his to-do list, his team, his goals and links, and different information about him. So as Richard, on the left side, I can click on Home. I will see different pieces like goal, performance, recruiting. In the company information, as I said before, I'll be seeing the org chart, the basic org chart, as well as the position. So Richard, from here you can see all his direct report, and if you go to position, you'll see the position that report to Richard's position as well. But now let's dive into the main part, which is the employee file. So clicking on employee file, you can see here, you see Richard's picture. He has phone information, email, location, and time. You can click on edit profile if you want. Right now, we want the photo to be. Right now, we want the photo to be editable by the employee, but if we change that, then you may not be able to edit the photo. In the public profile, clicking down, you'll see more profiles such as the pending requests in the workflow. For example, if he has any performance review he needs to do that is on his plate, he can go there and double check that. But right now he doesn't have anything. So I'll go to the personal information, and as Richard, I would see my social security number, personal information, home address, contact information, phone, emergency contact, and direct deposit. And so social security information is only editable by HR, so I don't have any ability to edit on this. For personal information and home address, you see the edit link here and the history. That means I can see what has been changed. But if I click on history, and I can edit as well. So let's say I just moved to a new apartment on September the 3rd. I can click on confirm. Let's say I move to the same address, but move to let's say 160, and everything else is the same. Good. I click on save. Then now you can see that the new home address is updated, and if I click on history, what I will see is the history of the address. From before, this was an address from January 2013, and this is what date that it was changed. So this is a new change. So that's the history of the record. And clicking on here, go back to personal information. So same with this personal information. I can click on edit and change any of these fields, and after that I can click save and get done with. Same with contact information, where I have email type, either business or professional, the actual email address, and whether it's a primary email or not. Note that at least one of the contact here has to be primary, so people can contact me. So that's why if you only have one, it has to be set to primary. And for phone information, same. We also have cell phone, business and home phone, area code, actual phone number, whether it's a primary phone or not. Same as before, at least one of these has to be primary. And any changes we make, can click save. Emergency contact, if you click on edit, you can change the name, add the phone number, the kind of relationship, whether it's spouse, child, parent, sibling, or other. Click on the email or primary. And note that same thing apply here. At least one of these has to be primary. Direct deposit is currently managed by HR only, so I don't have ability to change the direct deposit. So anything with an edit button, I can update the information and I can see the history of that if it's an effectively dated information as well. So that's how I'd go in and update my personal information.